What's up, people? What's up, people? What's up? Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, everybody. What's up, people? Are you still in denial? Please. Please stop it. Please stop it. The rally till March of 2011 is still intact. Stop. Stop trying to figure it out. Maybe I'm just talking to myself right now because I still have that hedge with the Qs. At least I'm making money on the Google trade, and I made some money on some other bullshit, which is offsetting it. Basically, I'm trying to enjoy the rally, hang on to those Qs short, so then when we actually do turn, because we can't legitimately go up every single day, okay? Even though, and also, I've been going through some emails and viewer mail and comments. So if you got some email from me and I'm responding to something you said 6 months ago, I just started dipping into some other mail that I completely forgot. Like my YouTube mail was going to one account and this, that, and the other thing. Bottom line is, yeah. I have been saying it all along, Dow 20,000 and all that stuff. But, you know, it is tongue-in-cheek. Dow 20,000 is a little outlandish. But the point is, these were the times, the float-along videos, the enjoy the rally videos, stop trying to figure it out videos. As long as Baidu was going up, the market would go up, all those videos. So 95% of my videos have been correct. And of course, I'm a scammer and I'm a douchebag and I'm a charlatan. I'm trying to bilk people out of their money and this, that, and the other thing. I think the bottom line is, what we're going to do is if you can't afford the the $30 or $40 a month, however we work out the cost structure, I'm going to guarantee it. Guarantee it. Now, the guarantee is going to be something like this. Let's say you put up, if it's $30 a month, it's going to be $300 for the year. Now, if I give one recommendation, let's look at, okay, I told you guys to be buying Google options, right? And they were $4. And today they are $6.60. Okay, so that's your $300 right there. So the guarantee that I will give you at least one trade to make your money back over the year, the next day was already done. It's your prerogative. It's your duty to take what I say in the chat room, look at it, and work it accordingly. Okay? You understand what I'm saying? With the Hartford Financial, the Broadcom, the Adobe, the bottom line is, I will guarantee the money. Now, I shouldn't be proud. We're talking facetiously right now because there is no subscription fee. There might not even be a website in the next couple of months. I might not be here. I might just be doing something somewhere else. We don't know. But $300 for the year, and if you don't get at least one recommendation that makes money for you over a year, you get your $300 back. So there is no risk to you. And if you come to the chat room, all the doubters, and wow, did I get a response to one of my emails? I was like, hey, this is one of my haters. I send them email, I guess, not to antagonize, because the way I look at it is I remain so, I guess I'm just a pussy. When it comes down to it, I shouldn't be nice to the people that are not nice to me, right? But I feel compelled to try to, I don't know, just show them the light. And you know what? They don't want to see the light. And I can appreciate that. But man, did I get some really, really awful responses to some of my emails. I love them. I love it. And I can't hate anymore. Because I'm full of love. Full of love. So the miners are coming out and there's the next miner that's coming out, and they keep saying the miners are coming out and the miners are coming out, and what I'm thinking is, one miner you know is going to come out of that tunnel like, hello, I'm free, and I discovered a lot about myself being surrounded by men for 3 months in a hole. Hello, I'm coming out of this mine, and I'm coming out to the world. Feel me? Is it too soon for miner jokes? I don't think it is, because it's a happy occasion, right? So, hello, I'm coming out of the mine. I want to go back in. Yeah. So anyway, the rally that will end all rallies is here. Now, we could reverse today and this video becomes obsolete. Google. Okay, wait, let's go back to the most important thing that we're in, is the Google. Okay, so going back to the Google, right? Remember, we were in at 450, and of course we missed the opportunity to make that whole nut. Then we got back in at 485, sold it that day. Then it broke 500, we weren't around. And then I grabbed my balls and my pride and my stubbornness, and I said, okay, the stock's going to 550 minimum. I'm going to have to buy it back here at 520. No, 518.75 I bought it back, or what it was. And then I put that 520 stop loss on it when it was pulling back from 533, and I got stopped out. Remember that? Remember that? And then it closed the next day at 538. Remember that? But all along, I had the December $600 calls, and then I bought some November $600 calls. And so right now, we are still thinking about going into the report long the Google. Now, here's what I'm thinking about doing. November $600 calls, selling the October 620s, buying the November 520 puts, selling the 500 puts for October. Basically, you're taking in some premium for the Octobers, which will expire on Friday, and you are staying long each side on Google. What we're hoping for is that Google goes to that strike price on the upside, let's say 600, 610, 620. So your options will expire for October, but the ones you own for November will be increasing in value twice, 3 times. And on the downside also, because as much as the market never goes down, and it probably won't go down till next year, we have to plan. We have to plan for it. All right. That's all I'm going to say. The market will not go down till March of 2011. That's no tongue in cheek. That's where my mindset is, okay? And then once we sell off a little bit, take some profits, everybody pays their taxes, and we have April, May, June, July. Those might be the slow months. And then bang, bitty, boom, boom. I'm already predicting the whole year for 2011 like I did last year. How I said this year will probably fade around March, April, May, June, July, August, which is what we did. And then I never expected September to be this way it was. I thought maybe we would surprise everybody with an October, November rally in December. But now, and then we get to January and what's it called? The January effect. There will be no January effect. It'll just be Santa Claus rally, January rally, maybe a little pause in February because nobody likes February, and then we rally into March. March options expiration is when I'll start selling stocks. Qs 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Any stock that's 80 is going to 100. Any stock that's 120 is going to 150. You know, Google is probably just going to go to 600, 650, 700. And Apple, 300. You're all excited about 300. First of all, the stock's going to 400. Then it's going to split. Then everyone's going to look at Apple. Wow, look at Apple at $40. Then it's going to go to 50. Then Apple at 50, it's going to go to 75. Next thing you know, it'll be back to 100. And then we'll have a $1,000 stock on Apple. There's no stopping America. There's no stopping the want and the need of new things. And people don't give a shit. So your friend doesn't have a job? Fuck you. I'm buying an iPad.
I would much prefer Krull.